you doing in my kitchen? Hello everybody, welcome to Sunday. We are going to be making waffles today on this fabulous Sunday. As you can see, I've got all of the Feen Value brand milk ready to roll in the bag, Feen Value brand syrup. We've got Feen Value brand vegetable oil. Items that I need to be making waffles. You think it's green screen? This is not. This is not green screen. This is a real waffle iron. A lot of fun stuff going on today. As you can see, we've got the nice overhead camera here with the bowl. We've got the flare camera behind me that tells us the temperature of stuff that's going on. We've got the stand mixer that's ready to roll. I'm super excited. We're gonna be making waffles with whipped cream. This is not Feen's Real House, no chickens. There's Mr. Spike. He's kind of a chicken. The waffle maker today is actually Mickey Mouse waffles. I hope you guys are excited for that. It's one of the twisty turny ones. I'm super pumped to show that one off. We've got eggs. That's part of it. Here, let me show you these eggs. We've got Feen Value brand eggs. We're gonna be using the Feen Value brand original milk and eggs waffle mix today. I've also got, hold on, come with me over here. I've also got Feen Value brand 35% whipping cream. First things first, get this nice and hot. Put that on. As you can see on the camera, it'll get real hot. How hot do you think it's gonna get, chat? 400 Celsius, 1,000 Celsius? Oh my goodness, $1, Bob. 127, oh, it's over 100, easy. It was definitely over 100 Celsius. Nice. Let me get out my handy dandy whisk. Again, we've got 1 3/4 cups of pancake waffle mix into the bowl. Perfect. We're gonna get our Feen Value brand milk. Already pre-measured. I know, I'm way ahead of it. Here, let me show you guys what we got going here. Look at that milk. This is how you pour it. It's just gonna go back in the fridge like that. 1 1/4 cup of milk. That's 300 milliliters for those of you keeping track at home. Just gonna pour that in. Oh, beautiful. It's beautiful already. I also need my handy dandy measuring spoon. I'm a god gamer at pouring. Thank you. Thank you. We're gonna need 3 tablespoons of this. So count with me. 1. Just make sure I got the tablespoon. That'd be awkward. 2. And 3. Those go in the sink. All right, and we need 2 large gross eggs. They're not actually gross. It's just large in French. So let's open these bad boys up. This egg carton thing is really weird because it's plastic, and I'm used to like the cheap smelly cardboard, and I never know where the open is, and it's the struggle. How many eggs will spawn chickens? Oh my god. Fef, can I throw the eggs in? I just want to throw the eggs in. So we've got 2 of these bad boys here. Let's, don't drop them. Egg throwing stream? That's not a bad idea, actually. I hope I don't get any shells in the bowl, but we've got 2 of them. 2 of them. And how many will have a chicken inside? I've heard horror stories of people, like, cracking eggs, and there's, like, baby chickens in them, and it's like, oh my god. I could probably start mixing this without the eggs. I think. Look at that. Oh, beauty. No, it needs the eggs. I'm gonna start cracking these eggs. Come on, no shell. Oh, no shell in that one. Okay, we got 1. No shell there. Nice. Oh, this one's, oh, that's not a good one. Oh, crushed it. I crushed it. No, did not crack the eggs. Before I continue, I need to wash my hands. No shells. We're gonna mix this in. How we looking? How we looking? Oh, this waffle mix is actually looking really good. It's just about ready. Easy, easy, easy whisking. All right, that's all done up. I'm gonna hold that there. And I wanna get started on my whipping cream. Grab the cold out of the freezer. Look at it. Oh, nice and chilly. This is like, I don't know why they do this, but they put it in the freezer for reasons to make whipping cream. Let's open this bad boy up. using Feen Value brand whipping cream. We're gonna eyeball it, YOLO. Yeah, that looks good. I put in, I don't know, 2 seconds of drop. And we're gonna start whipping, and once it starts whipping, I'm gonna add the sugar. So we lock it in place. And this is it's gonna get a little loud, chat. It's gonna get a little loud. But oh boy, is it whipping. Then I just dump in 2 teaspoons. It's all good. It's whipping. We pour in like a second of cream and then 2 teaspoons of sugar in the cold bowl. And while that's going, that's all fine. We'll give this one last whisk. Beauty. And we'll take this over to our waffle maker, which is primed and ready to go. And we'll start pouring the waffles. I'm gonna grab the whole cup. We don't want to spill it. Just pour it in real good. And we flip. And we go for round 2. And then we rotate on its side. This can stay there. Crank the whipping cream up, it's ready to go. Yeah, we got a double. We got a double. So yeah, now we just wait. We'll check on our whipping cream. Oh, it's whipping, chat. The whipping cream is whipping. While we're waiting, I personally like to start putting stuff away like the milk, because we don't need this out anymore. And you know what? I don't need the eggs out anymore either. And these eggshells, we're done with them. Bag milk, welcome to Ontario, yeah. It's delicious. Alright. Our cream has been whipped. That is beautiful whipped cream. I'm gonna have to spoon some of it out, but this is beautiful. Alright, so that's already our waffle iron beeped. It's time to go get the waffles. Slide it down. It's the one with the light on, in case you can't tell. Oh. You're ugly. Alright, let's pop these bad boys out. I'm gonna use my finger and I don't care. They are ugly. But that's fine. It's fine. I'm just gonna pour some more in so that way we can get a butt ton of waffles going here. Alright, we'll get these bad boys out. Uh-oh. These ones are as ugly, but less ugly. Pour more in. We need maximum waffles. Here's what we've got. They're atrocious, but you know what? They're gonna be delicious. Are those mini waffles? They are. I usually count 3 waffles as 1 waffle. So we're gonna be making 6 total, so that's like, what, 9 each? Between Fef and I. So we got more waffles in. I'm gonna cook all the batter. Let's get these waffles plated. Over there. We'll pour another batch in. It turns out I have just enough batter to fill this whole thing 3 times. Here's what we've got so far. Again, Mickey's had better days. Bracky, welcome back for 14 months, almost a year. Holy smokes. Thank you so much, Bracky, for 14 months. Let's take a look. I just know. Oh, this set. This is the set. Take a look at this one. Perfect waffles right here. I just add a little bit more batter. Chef's kiss. That's me. I'm the chef today. Stack is getting nice and high. It is. It's getting real high. Look at this. Look at this sick, amazing stack. Oh, there it is. It's here. Here's our completed stack of waffles. All right, I'm gonna bring this over to the table so that way we can eat it. And you know what? We're gonna need this over there too.
Bean waffles.
Welcome to our table. This is where we eat, and that's exactly what we'll be doing here.
I'm gonna start.
Okay, you dive in first. I want the good-looking waffle.
That's right. We're gonna butter these up.
That's a lot of butter.
You gotta get it all over.
Hey, yo, chat. 50 subs right now, and Fef eats a waffle covered in mustard.
Alright, let me get some syrup.
What kind of syrup?
Feen Value brand syrup.
That's the good kind. Got a big spoon for whippy. Oh, that's whipped. Yo, Pocket Jala with the 5-pack party platter. They want you to eat with the mustard. What kind of mustard do we got today, Fab?
Feen Value Brand mustard, Dragon
We got the
Feen.
Feen Value Brand. Very nice. Handsome Navigator, thank you for that 5-pack party platter. Thank you, Handsome Navigator. Oh my god, what are we at? Tetsu, thank you so much for the gifted subs. Elway, thank you for the gifted subs. I can't keep up with these. This is what I got going on. I got a little bit of everything. I am a glutton.
Did you add syrup yet?
I have added syrup. Yo, we did it 55! Yo, thank you so much!
Oh my god.
Thank you so much for the gifted subs. Weasel, thank you for the gifted sub as well. Thank you, everybody. Beth, you get to enjoy it. You get to enjoy the mustard waffle.
Well, everybody.
Would you like a knife to spread this?
Could you please get me, if you'd be so kind, please get me a knife to spread the mustard. You know, I need to get a fork too. First things first, when you're using Feen Value Brand mustard, you got to remember that sometimes mustard separates. So let's just go ahead and give it a quick shaky shake here. And then it's really important that the mustard is all at one side of the container. That way there's an even flow of mustard being delivered to your food. So what you want to do is then just start going. You know, all these little holes right here are just like pockets for your mustard.
Fef, chat thinks you are stalling.
Now what you want to do, make sure that everybody can get a good view of this. We want to just spread the mustard a bit here. You want to make sure that you don't get, it has to be even. And you want to make sure that all these little Mickey pockets are full of mustard. As you see, we don't have enough mustard, so we're going to have to go back and reapply. Now, it's been a while, so let's just go ahead and shake the mustard again. And so let's keep going. All right. So now that we've applied enough mustard sufficiently to all of the waffle,
before we get going here, is this against Twitch TOS?
No, not at all.
Okay.
What we're gonna do though is we're gonna stack. We're gonna play Waffle Stacker.
Oh my god.
All right.
Oh, I can smell it. I can smell it.
What do we think, chat? Should we do 2 scoops?
Do 2.
Okay, but first let me just get some water.
Okay, you know what? Yeah, that's a good idea. Here, would you like me to fill your water for you? Okay.
You can see in the thermal imaging where the mustard is and where the waffle starts. Oh, look at that.
Water for you, sir. He went for it. You can see by the look in his eyes, he is so excited to be here. He is pumped. He's not even looking at the camera. He is so ready for this chat. He's lived his whole entire life for this moment here.
Mm-hmm.
Did Fef enjoy it? It's an excellent question. Excellent question.
Oh boy, thanks everybody.
You're not done yet. You got another stack.
If you did enjoy all the mustard that we had first time here at Mustard Waffles, and in case you didn't believe me, we're gonna add some more mustard here on stream, live at twitch.tv/thedragonfeeny, where we bring you the mustard.
Love Demo, thank you very much for the 200 bits.
This time we're not gonna spread it in, everybody. We're just gonna.
He's going for it. He wants it in a mountain.
Like a jelly-filled donut.
A mustard-filled donut. Twitch.tv/themustardfeeny. Oh no. Your stomach aches just watching? I have to smell it. I have to smell it. Go. Stop it. I'm just saying this is not making me feel well. He's dying. I can't show you, but he's dying right now.
Don't worry, I'm still chewing.
Oh my god. Ooh. He did it, chat. His plate is empty, as you can see here. Empty plate. He ate the whole thing. He swallowed it. There is mustard on my finger. I think I want want to do this again. I had a lot of fun. What about you, Fef?
I love doing this. Let's do it again.
Let's do it again. What do you want to do next week, Fef?
Let's make tacos.
Tacos? Good news. We've got some nice corn flour. Feen Value brand corn flour. Tacos next week. Very exciting. Tune in for that fun time. Hold on. I need one thing. I still have a bit of whipped cream left, and, you know, it's, I'm not done. Delicious. Delicious. Get this mustard out of here.